Hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and we're going to be using the James Charles palette again just because I just got it. It's just a really pretty palette and I'm excited to see what I can make, what I can get out of it. I'd also like to see if I can't use the Profusion palette and make a few looks that are very similar to what I make from the James Charles palette with the Profusion. I know they don't have all the same colors, but you know, there's a lot of similarities. And we're just taking Love That, and we're doing the outer third and the inner corner and then connecting it in the crease, trying to leave as much of that lid space as possible. What's funny is, like, I barely ate anything yesterday at all, like barely at all. I think I had some toast like before bed, and I'm not starving. And I'm the type of person that eats like all day long. Might be why I got sick. Now I'm taking Skip like that. I think we're gonna take a little bit of Pink Drink right there. Okay, and I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer. I want to try the Jeffree Star concealers, but my issue is that from what I see, you end up using a lot of his concealer, and from what I hear, there's not a whole lot in his concealer, which would upset me because my Tarte Shape Tape, literally you need the tiniest little bit to conceal your face, and then on top of that, even though you only need the tiniest little bit, the tube that the concealer actually comes in is quite large, so you have a lot of product. And like, even though I've been doing makeup every day since December, I've probably had that concealer since the December before that, and it's lasted me that long. Granted, I went through it a lot faster when I started doing my makeup every single day, but 6 months with the same concealer is still a lot longer than you know, 2 or 3 months with the same concealer. So I don't know, I'm kind of nervous about it. I want to try it, but also, like, if it doesn't last as long, I'm going to be upset, especially since the price is so close. Like, you're spending over 20 bucks for both of them, and I know how much product I get in the Tarte Shape Tape. Don't get me wrong, like everybody says that it blends great and, you know, it looks nice, and, you know, that's all nice, but so does the Tarte Shape Tape, and I get a lot of use out of it, or I got a lot of use out of it, out of just that one that I had for well over a year. And I understand people are like, well, you're not supposed to keep a product that long. I hear what you're saying, but also, like, I don't care. Like, I'm just one of those people that just, I don't care about all that. Like, if it works, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, you know, then I'm not going to use it. If my other product is better, then, you know, my other product is better, regardless of who makes it. I think that's all I'm going to do for that cut crease. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to give myself a wing, and then I'm going to do my face makeup, and I will be right back. Let's do a Shane Dawson outro. I just want to add a little glitter. It's been a while since I've used these Stilas, so I figured why not bust them out today. I've been using all the other glitters that I own. I'm still on the lookout for those Wet n Wild ones, so if anyone knows where to get them, because my Walmart does not sell them, please let me know, because Wet n Wild is hella cheap, and this 3-pack from Stila was like $27. So if I could find them for like $4 a piece, heck yes. Okay, I got those on. I'm gonna let them try and dry because they're sensitive, Sally. They might come up. We don't want them to. So the Ardell Professional Wispies. I don't know. I think they're pretty. So now we're going to, I think, go into Love That. We're going to go into a little bit of Spooky and Love That. I'm going to take a little bit of this guy. I'm going to take some of this guy. I'm just going to go into the color that I put all over my face, like this, like that. I'm just gonna, and actually, just like that, and then I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna do this guy. I think my lashes are strong enough. We'll see. Yeah, that outer edge came off just like I thought it would. Okay, now I'm gonna put on the lip. I haven't decided what that lip should be, so I think this one will look good. Alright guys, that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below telling me what you would like to see me do. Like if you'd like to see that dupe tutorial I was talking about where I do one look with the James Charles palette and another look using the Profusion palette. Leave a comment down below letting me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!